Good morning to all. Welcome to Zigyansa and Devashmita. So, in the previous video, we have already studied about the different classification of the plant kingdom. So, some important things we just know about this video. So, the main things or some various kinds of some specific point to be we just know in this video. So, let's start. So, in case of the diversity in plants, it's just seen so many various types of the plants. One is smallest, largest, and the hardiest, all those things. So, in this video, some specific points we just and very interesting points we are going to know about that. So, that some of them are just uh, we have just seen in this video some plant recorded at maximum altitude, that is the Armenia himalayensis and Ranunculus lobatus. These plants are Armenia himalayensis and Armenia himalayensis and the Ranunculus lobatus. These plants found in the maximum altitude. Then smallest angiospermic plants and the plants with the smallest flower, that is the Wolffia. Wolffia is known as the smallest angiospermic plants with smallest flower. So tallest tree in the world or the tallest gymnosperm, that is the Sequoia semiperviens. Sequoia semiperviens, that is the 366 feet. This is otherwise known as, its common name is the redwood tree. Then tallest angiospermic tree, that is the Eucalyptus regnans, which is 375 feet. Then plant with maximum age, that is the Sequoiadendron giganteum. Sequoiadendron giganteum, which is estimated of the 6,000 years. This plant is known as the maximum age. And the oldest known living tree in the world, that is the Pinus longevia. Pinus longeva, which is present in California, USA, and its age is 4,600 years. So that's why it is known as the oldest living tree in the world. So, in then the smallest bryophytes is the Zooxis. Smallest bryophyte is the Zooxis. Smallest bryophyte is the Zooxis. Then smallest pteridophyte, Azolla. Azolla is the smallest pteridophytes. Then smallest gymnosperm, that is the Jamia pygmea. Jamia pygmea. Then the smallest known bacterium is the Dialister pneumonicentis. Dialister pneumonicentis. So then the largest known bacterium is the Coelophysium fisselssonis, which is recently discovered in the world. And plant with the smallest seed, that is the dwarfed seed type, that is the orchid. And the plant with the biggest seed, that is Lodoicea maldivia. Which is the double the coconut. Have you seen the coconut and its size? So its seed is the double of the coconut. That's why this is known as the plant with the biggest seed. So plant with the biggest fruit, Lodoicea. Then plant with the largest leaf, that is some grasses. Then plant with the smallest leaves, that is the plant with smallest plant with the smallest fruit in case of the some grasses. And a plant with the largest leaves is the Victoria regia. Then plant with the longest leaf is the Raphia, that is the palm. Have you seen the plant palm tree? Yes. Then its leaves is very large. Then in comparison to other tree or other leaf of the tree. Then plant with the longest flower, that is the total root parasite, that is the Rafflesia. This is very important because most of the cases and most of the exams it is in MCQ system. In this question also arise for many MCQ or many competitive exams. So smallest cell is the PPLO. Smallest cell is the PPLO, that is the Pleuropneumonia like organism or the Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma galsi gallisepticum. Mycoplasma gallisepticum or PPLO. Full form is the PPLO is the PPLO, Pleuropneumonia like organism. You can note down it. Then largest plant cell is the Acetabularia. Largest plant cell is the Acetabularia. Then smallest chromosome, smallest chromosome found in case of the algae, which is 0.025 micron. Then largest chromosome is the trillium. Then a plant with minimum number of the chromosome, that is the Haplopappus gracilis. Haplopappus gracilis. Its compositive family to its chromosome is the 4, and plant with plant with the maximum number of the chromosome is the Ophioglossum, and plant with the minimum number of the chromosome is the Haplopappus gracilis. You can see here its chromosome number is the 4, diploid number is the 4, and in case of the maximum number of the chromosome Ophioglossum, it's belong to the pteridophytes, which have chromosome number is 2 n equal to 1262. Then first is growing plant in the Hesperoica whipli. Hesperoica whipli, which is belong to Liliaceae family, and in the 14 days it grow 12 feet. So it's very important for all of you, that is it's 14 days to grow 12 feet. Then plant with biggest egg cell. Plant with biggest egg cell is the cycas in case of the gymnosperm, because it's we know that it's a naked seeded plant. And plant with the biggest antherozoid also cycas. Then plant with the biggest ovule also cycas. So lightest wood is known as the ochroma, or common name is the balsa, and acromatogonous, and heaviest wood is the Crugiodendron. Heaviest wood found in the its species is the Crugiodendron, which is the its common name is the iron wood, and Olea loriflora. Olea loriflora. It's the heaviest wood. Then hardest wood is the hardwicea. From hardest, its name is the hardwicea. So plant bearing flowers and fruit once in a life, that is the monocarpic type, is the bambusa. You just see the bamboo plants, and it's completes its life cycle. It's monocarpic plants, that bambusa tolda. Bamboo is scientific name is the bambusa. So bambusa tolda or rotting, or Melocana bambusoides. Melocana bambusoides. So these are the so these are so so in the previous in this slide seen we have already seen so many important plants, which are smallest bryophytes, smallest pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm, all those things. So this is very important for all of you. So you can see this, or you can note down also in this video. So thank you.